Welcome to the Make and Design Podcast. I'm your host, Carina Gardner. On this podcast, we're unraveling the everyday joys and dilemmas of design, making, and business. For makers who want to be designers and for designers who are makers, this is your inside scoop to help you grow your business and bring more creativity to your life.
I am so excited about this episode because you get to hear from our Design Suite members. We recently did a live retreat, and at this live retreat, you will see us talking, hanging out with our Design Suite members. So this is really fun. It's like a sneak peek into the back end of some of the things that we're doing, some of the fun things that are going on in Design Suite. We have a huge membership, and this is a portion of our membership that was able to show up live so that we could teach them workshops to go over lots of things like workflow, Etsy, SEO, trying to get their businesses in a place so that they are making money. So if that sounds interesting to you, you are going to love this episode. So here's your sneak peek. Enjoy.
I have learned so much at this retreat and I'm having a blast. It's just really awesome to be able to connect with everybody in person that I've been talking to through the past year in the program, and we are just having a blast together. I love it.
I got to know a lot of new things, has been amazing. It's been very helpful, and it has fueled me to do all these new things in the next few months. And I'm having so much fun at the design retreat, just learning all these things.
I'm having a ton of fun. The information has been super valuable, a lot of aha moments. Really great info from Carina, the coaches, and also from all of my fellow Design Suite members. That has been just amazing.
Information has absolutely been valuable. I've learned how to do a lot of new things, and it has been a lot of fun.
The retreat has been very valuable for me. I've learned a lot of new things. I'm excited and inspired to go forward, make the adjustments, and grow my business. And I'm really enjoying myself. It's great being with a bunch of other people that have similar interests and are growing their business as well.
It has been so fun. Like, just being around the other people, like-minded people, has been so great. Everybody's so fantastic. Everybody's laughing and cutting up. And the valuable part is like over the top. Like, what we learned being face to face and alone with, not alone, but in a group with Carina, like, has been, I'm going to say business changing, but also like life changing for your insides. Like, I feel like such a growth moment from this retreat that I can't believe yet. So I'm excited and I'm ready to keep going.
It has been great meeting everybody and getting the sort of hands-on experience that I wouldn't have otherwise had if I hadn't gone to the retreat. So it has been quite valuable.
This retreat has been incredibly informative. I've learned so much, and it's been a lot of fun. It's been so much fun to get to finally know a lot of people I've only seen online. And but yeah, the information is completely invaluable. The wealth of knowledge of this group of people is amazing.
I have learned so many things that I haven't learned before. And this retreat has been awesome. Meeting all kinds of women from all over the United States is amazing.
I am definitely having fun, and yes, it has been invaluable, all the information that I've gotten and the friendships that I've made.
The information has been extremely valuable. I have learned some new processes. I've been in the program for about almost 2 years now, a little under that, and I've learned some things this weekend that I didn't realize, I didn't realize I didn't know, and that it's going to help me speed up my process. It was just a light bulb went off and I'm like, oh my goodness, this is going to save me so much time in my design process. And then of course some skills and fun stuff that I hadn't learned before. So it's been very valuable to me. I don't miss retreats. I went last year, I went this year, and I will go again. I don't miss them because they're great. And of course it's been so much fun. Again, the community is what makes everything just so much better because we're all learning together. We're different levels, but we're all learning together and learning from each other and just growing. So it's been great. I've had a great time.
I highly recommend. 5 stars.
I hope you enjoyed that. We have a great time, myself and my team, hanging out with our members. It's really good to see what they're looking forward to, what they're working on, how they're growing their businesses, and what we can do to help them really build those out. So it's incredibly fun. We have a great time at it, and I hope you saw that in today's episode. If you want to learn more about Design Suite, you will want to check out a design boot camp. You can find those at carinagardnercourses.com/design bootcamp. And in those design boot camps, you are going to learn about how we make money, the things that I've done over the years to make money other than contracts to build my business. And you will also have the ability to talk to one of our admissions specialists if Design Suite is something you're interested in. I always tell everybody we are a professional program. We liken it to a master's degree program, especially with me at the helm. With a Ph.D., we're getting the academic side, and then, of course, the business side, since I've run my own design businesses at multiple 6 figures for now, over 15 years, almost 16 years. So we really try to create a place where it's safe for our designers to build a strong foundation as a designer, as a design business owner, so that they are learning what it takes not only to be a designer, but also how to make money. So we're really, really excited about those of you who come into a design boot camp to learn more. Keep your eyes out for live design boot camps as well. Those of you who have joined like a 10-day design boot camp, don't you worry, you will be invited to a live one as well. So there are a couple of opportunities to watch Design Bootcamp a few times, all right? We can't wait to see you there. Keep up the amazing work, keep designing, and we'll see you soon.
Hey, did you know that you can visit me at makeanddesign.com to learn more about this podcast and join my VIP group for weekly freebies? I can't wait to see you there.